how to merge customers in Shopify. To show you this, we have to go to the left hand side here where it says customers. I'm just going to click on that. And I've created two example customers here, but you could have a lot more than that in your actual store. So I just click on these two, or more if you need to. And the way we merge them is we go to the right hand side here, and you want to click on these three dots which say more actions. And now you can see merge customers. You're just gonna click on that, and as you can see, it created a group profile for these two customers, and in order to merge them as one customer. So after that, we just click on merge and confirm, and that has created a merged profile for them both. As you can see, there's a timeline here. It says when I merged them, at what time, in this case 6 minutes ago, or what date they were created, and so on. And that's how you merge customers in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.